Billy, where are you going? Buster, Billy, do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? What? What? You gonna talk? You gonna talk? Where you going? You gonna show me? Yeah? Where's the treats? Show me. Show me. Where is it? Show me. Where is it, Billy? Where's the treats? Show me. Where you going? Show me. Show me. Where is it? Where's the treats? Where? Show me. Show me. Oh, you're so smart. You're so smart. Is that where the treats are? Look at that tail. Look at the tail go. Oh man, he's not starving at all. He's so neglected and abused. Oh man, so horrible. Oh, is this what you want? What good boys do? Oh, yeah? Is that all good boys do? What else? What else? Oh, you want to talk? Okay, come here. Let's see what Billy's going to do. What pretty girls do. Oh, yeah? You're going to sit on that? Billy, you going to speak? You want to speak? Billy, speak. Speak. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? You want to talk? You want to talk? No. Inside voice. Inside voice. Use your inside voice. No, that's outside. That's outside. No, use your inside voice. Quiet. Talk. No, that's outside. Inside. Inside. Shh. Oh, there you go. Good girl. You use your inside voice. Use your inside voice, Billy. Use your inside voice. Go ahead. Use your inside voice. No. Use your inside voice. You wanna talk? Oh, good girl. Really, Buster? Really? Billy. Lay down. Lay down. Did you just tell me no? Lay down. Show me your belly. Good boy, Buster. Billy, belly. Belly. Show me your belly. Belly. Good boy, Buster. Billy. Belly. No, down. Show me your belly. Good boy, Buster. Billy. Belly. Down. That's better. That's better. What else can you do? Can you beg? Good boy. Billy, beg. No, you gotta keep your butt on the floor. Beg, Billy. Beg, Billy. Beg. No. No. Beg. Billy, beg. Billy, beg. Come on. Billy, beg. Good girl. Come on, Billy, beg. I know, Buster. You're doing all the tricks. Billy, beg. No, beg. Good girl. Not very well, but you did it anyways.